Today I'm cooking some new potatoes in the air fryer. It's another really quick and easy air fryer recipe. You can use as many new potatoes as you want. I have about 400 grams here, and you can also use any variety of new potatoes. As some of mine are a little on the large side, I'm chopping them up into halves and some of them into quarters. Just make sure they're roughly the same size as each other, and then they'll cook a lot better and more evenly in the air fryer. Once they're chopped up, pop them in a bowl and pour some oil over them. I'm using about a tablespoon of olive oil, so toss the potatoes about to make sure they're all coated as much as possible. You can season the potatoes any way you like. You can either just use a little bit of salt, or you could add a seasoning mix like seasonal, paprika, Cajun seasoning, or curry powder, or whatever you prefer really. This time I'm going to use the paprika, so add around 1 teaspoon and sprinkle it over the potatoes. Then again, toss the potatoes around so that the paprika goes over them all. Then simply add them to the air fryer basket, switch the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and the timer to 20 minutes. At around the halfway mark, pull the basket out and give them a good shake about, and then return them to the air fryer. Check on them at around 18 minutes to see if they're done. How long they take will depend on the size you've cut them up and also what air fryer you're using. And that's it, a really quick and easy air fryer snack or side dish which can be flavoured with your favourite seasonings. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next one, and let me know in the comments what your favourite air fryer recipes are. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.